This is going to be a video tutorial on how to crop an image into a shape in Google Docs. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am on Google Docs. To crop an image into a shape in Google Docs is very simple to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the top up here. You want to go to the Insert tab and click on Insert. Then you want to go down to where it says Drawings and place your cursor over Drawings, and then you'll go straight off to the side over here and you want to click on New. Now when this dialog box appears here, what you want to do is you want to go up to the picture icon, or I'm sorry, the image icon. If you put your mouse cursor over this icon here, it says Image. You want to click on that one. Then I'm gonna upload the image from my own device. I'm gonna click on this little blue button here. Now I'm gonna find the image that I want to upload to Google Docs. I'm gonna click on this one, and I'm gonna go down to the bottom and click on Open. Now it's uploading my image to Google Docs here. There is my image right there. And now to crop the image into a shape, what you want to do is you want to make sure the image is selected. Then you want to go up to the top up here. And right next to the images icon, between the images icon and the cropping icon, you'll see a little drop down arrow here. You want to click on that drop down arrow. And then you could choose between shapes, arrows, callouts, or equations to crop your image into. I'm going to use shapes. You want to place your mouse cursor over shapes and then straight off to the right side, and you can choose any one of these shapes to crop your image into. Say that I wanted to use this diamond here. I'm going to click on the diamond. Now my image has become a diamond. I'm going to go up to the top up here. I'm going to click on Save and Close. And there is my image on my document here. And now from here, I'm going to click on my image, left click on it. I'm going to go down to the bottom. You could do this however you want. I'm going to place my image behind text. That way I can move it anywhere. I can downsize my image by dragging it on the corners. I can move it anywhere on my document. That is how to crop an image into a shape in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.